How to install Pikashow on LG Smart TV. So first of all, press the home button on your LG Smart TV remote to go to main screen. Navigate to setting icon on your LG Smart TV home screen and open it. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general option. Inside general settings, find and tap on TV information to access advanced option. Tap on developer mode and turn it on to allow installation of third-party apps on your LG Smart TV. Once developer mode is enabled, note down your TV IP address displayed on the screen. On your phone or PC, open the browser and go to the LG developer website to set up your device. Enter your TV IP address on the LG developer website to connect your phone to your LG Smart TV. On your phone, download the latest Pikashow APK file from a trusted website. Using the LG developer website, upload the Pikashow APK file from your phone directly to your LG Smart TV. Once uploaded, your LG Smart TV will automatically begin the installation. Tap install when prompted. Once installed, go to your LG Smart TV home screen, find Pikashow and tap open to start streaming. Thank you for watching.